Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about some trigonometric formulas. Now our basic formula is sin A plus B बराबर sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A into cos A. अभी just 2 sin A into cos B. And sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to 2 cos A into sin B. And cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to 2 cos A into cos B, and cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal to 2 sin A into sin B. Just this formula derives from the basic formula, and now let A plus B sum of both angle equal to C and difference of both angle equal to D. Then adding 2A equal to C plus D, A equal to C plus D by 2, so that by 1 B equal to C minus A, putting the value of A, C plus D by 2, 2C, C minus D by 2. Now we put in this formula A plus B equal to C and A minus D equal to D, and putting the value of A and D here. Now 1 becomes by 1 becomes sin A plus B equal to C, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin A means C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2 into cos B means C minus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. These formulas becomes sin C plus sin D बराबर 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now by second, sin A plus B sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Now this formula become sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Now from 3 by 3 cos A plus B cos C plus cos A minus B cos D equal to 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 because D equal to C minus D by 2, and by 4 cos A minus B, it means that cos A minus D minus B equal to D cos D minus here cos D minus cos C cos D minus cos C A plus B equal to C equal to 2 sin A C plus D by 2 into B sin C minus D by 2. Now here cos D, and for the convenience this formula can be written as negative sign change here and here. This kind cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D equal to this sign, negative sign here change, and here with the help of this sign minus theta equal to minus theta, so that this becomes 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Change this sign, and for convenience of remember, sin cos C minus cos D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Now these 4 formula 1, 2, 3, and first, second, third, and fourth, this derived from these formulas, and this is factor formulas. Now, as we study about sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a, sin 2a equal to also 2 tan a but 1 plus tan square a. If you simplify this becomes such type 2 sin a into cos a. This becomes 2 sin a into cos a, like this. 2 tan a, 2 sin a but divided by cos a, and 1 plus sin square a but cos square a, sin square a but divided by cos square a. Now 2 sin a divided by cos a, and this and comes to cos square a divided by cos square a plus sin square a, and this become 1, and this cancel this. Now this 2 sin a into cos a equal to sin 2a, and this becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This become 1, and this cancel 2 sin a into cos a sin 2a. It means that this is equal to this, so that this is the formula of sin 2a, this is formula of sin 2a. Similar things, cos 2a cos square a minus sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a also 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 plus tan square a. It turns out we get this formula, so that both are equal, so that this is cos 2a, this is cos 2a. Now here a replaced by a by 2, a replaced by a by 2 to cancel. Sin a equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 half angle. Sin a equal to 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square also a by 2. Cos 2a by 2 यानी cos a बराबर cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Similar things, 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2, and cos a बराबर 1 minus tan square a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. याद करने का एक इसमें तजुर्बा है, जब आप इसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा तब आपको ऑटोमेटिक ये सारे फार्मूले जो है याद हो जाएंगे और आप आसानी से जो है कंफर्ट रखेंगे. नाउ ट्रिपल एंगल sin 3a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a and cos 3a 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Sin 3a, if you remember sin 3a, then 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan cube a but 1 minus 3 tan square a. Cot 3a cot 3a minus 3 cot a divided by 3 cot a minus 1 with the help of we remember it. Now this can be written as cos a by 2, either minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a divided by 2 under root cos a by 2, calculate with the help of this. Similar sin a by 2, this, and sin a by 2 divided by cos a by 2, it means tan a by 2, 1 minus cos a divided by 1 plus cos a. This formula can also be used, and now we discuss about the tables. Sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree half. Now here sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 90 degree, sin 120 degree, sin 135 degree, sin 150 degree, sin 180 degree. Cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 120 degree, cos 135 degree, cos 150 degree, cos 180 degree. Similar things, this is tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 90 degree, tan 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree. Similarly, cot 0 degree, cot 30 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 60 degree, cot 90 degree, cot 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree. Similar things. Now, sin 0, what is the value of sin 0 degree? 0 by 4. 0 by 4. Here, simple method to remember these tables. There is no any difficulty. Now, under 0 by 4, it means that 0 by 4 and 0, this becomes sin 0 degree means 0. Second column, sin 30 degree. Here, under 1 by 4, it means that 1 by 2, 4 ka 2, this is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree, 2 by 4, it means that 2 by 4 under root 1 by 2, it means that 1 by under root 2. Here 1 by under root 2. This fourth, third, under root 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 by 4, it means that root 3 by 4 means 2, under 3 by 2. And here, under root 4 by 4, it means that 1, here this become 1. Now, we remember that sin 0 degree means 0, 30, 1 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree under 3 by 2, sin 90 degree equal to 1. Now, cos 0 degree means this 1, cos 30 degree, this comes here under 3 by 2. Here, this comes here, 1 by root 2, this comes here, 1 by 2, and this comes here, 0. Now, sin 0 degree, 30, 1 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree, 1, cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 30 degree, that is equal to sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree, that is equal to sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. Sin cos 60 degree, that is equal to sin 30 degree 1 by 2, and cos 90 degree, that is equal to sin and cos 90 degree sin 0 degree, that is 0. Here, this is the diagonal properties. Now, if you write the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree with the help of this 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. We write with the help of this. This is a particular type of a trick. This is a trick. With the help of this trick, we write the value of this, and with the diagonal properties, we write this. And 120 degree transpose this transpose properties. Now this comes here, this comes here, this comes here. Now root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, this comes here 1 by root 2, this comes here 1 by 2, and this comes here 0. Now in the same sense, here also comes under these properties 1 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here root 3 by 2, here 1. Now we complete the tables sin 180 degree and cos 180 degree. Here this comes, this is the diagonal property, and this is the transpose property, this value transferred to here. But as you know that in the coordinate, this all sin, tan, cos, as you know that all means sin, cos, tan, cot 0 to 90 degree, all are positive. 0 to 90 degree, all are positive. And here sin and cosec are positive. In this case, sin and cosec are positive. 90 to 190 degree to 180 degree, sin are positive. 90 to 190 sin are positive. But rest, sin and cosec only positive, rest are negative. Here show that this becomes negative sign. This becomes negative sign because cos negative 90 degree to 180 degree. Now tan 0 degree, as you know that tan theta equal to what? Tan theta equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan 0 के मान पाने के लिए क्या होगा, जो है tan 0 degree sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. Sin 0 degree 0 divided by cos 0 degree 1, that is equal to 0. Tan 0 means what? 0. Tan 0 का मान प्राप्त sin 0 में cos 0 से भाग दे देंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे 1 by 2 में इससे डिवाइड करेंगे 1 by 2 divide 3 by 2 root 3 by 2, it means that 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3, this cancel 1 by root 3. Here tan 0 में 0, tan 30 degree में 1 by root 3. 45 degree, this divide this, cancel 1, and root 3 by 2 divide 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 divide bhaga 1 by 2, it means that root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, this cancel root 3. This become root 3. And 1 divided by 0, this is infinite. As you know that, simple say tan 0 sin 0 divided by cos 0, tan 30 by cos 30, tan 45 by cos 45, tan 60 by cos 60 degree. We get the value of tan 0 by 0, tan 30 by 1 by root 3. As you know that tan 45 1 and 60 root 3, and this is infinity. These terms, diagonal properties. Here, this can also transpose. Here, this comes here with the help of transpose property root 3. This comes here. This comes 1 by root 3. This comes 0. R by transpose property, yeah, divide by this. This can also divide this. This becomes this. And tan 90 to 180 degrees, 90 to 180 degree only cos, sine and cosec positive, rest negative, this become also negative. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative. This is also. Now, here with the help of diagonal property, this comes here, 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 1 by root 3, this comes here. With the help of diagonal properties, R cot theta is equal to cos by sine, cot theta equal to cos by sine, and 1 by 0 infinity under root 3 by 2 bhaga 1 by root 2, that is equal to root 2. So we can get the value of this with the help of diagonal property, या with the help of cot theta बराबर cos theta by sin theta, dividing get the value of this. And here similar things that transpose here, minus 1 by root 3, minus 1, minus root 3, and this is negative because this is 90 to 180 degree, cot also negative. Now sec theta equal to what? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. If the value of cos change, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, sec theta equal to 1 by sec 0 degree, 1 by cos 0 degree, 1 by cos 0 degree, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos 0 degree, this is 1. This time 1 by this, sec theta is 1 by cos theta, 1 by this, and 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. This can be reversed under root 2 by 1, only under root 2, this is 2, and this 1 by this, 1 by cos theta, this is infinite. Also change this, minus 2, this change, minus root 2, this change, minus 2 by root 3, and 1 by itana, and this is equal to minus 2. R transpose here, minus 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, and 1, and value of sec 90 to 180 degree, this is a negative, so that value of these are negative. Now, in the similar things, we write the value of cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. If the value of sine reverse numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, we get the value of cosec angle. Cosec 0 degree, 1 by 0, that is infinity. Also comes here with the help of diagonal, change the denominator and denominator of the sign, we get here change 2 Here also get 2. Here change root 2 by 1. Yeah, root 2. Here change 2 by root 3. Yeah, 2 by root 3. Here change 1 by 1. That is 1. Here transpose and cosec, sine, all sine and cosec are positive, so that this is a positive, this is a 1, and 120 degrees, transpose this 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and here transpose, I change this 2 by root 3, root 2 by 1, root 2 by 1 and 2, and but 1 by 0 in infinity. With the help of this, we make these tables. We make these tables now, and here, if you try to this, and then after that, repetition, and if you know about these tables, repeat your own and remember with the help of trick, then we get the value of this. As here, just as we know that sin 0 by 0, 30 by 1 by 2, 45 1 by root 3, 60 degree root 3 by 2, and 90 degree 1. I know that sin 90 degree is value of sin 90 degree equal to value of cos 0 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 45, 45, 60, and 30, 60, and 0, 90. If you gain the value of cosec 60 degree, as you know that cosec 60 degree, then you know that cosec is reverse of sin 60 degree, value of sin 60 degree reverse 2 by root 3 here, 3 by root 2, so reverse 2 by root 3. As you know that sec 150 degree, this is the second, and this is also second. Same things, 2 by root 3, here 2 by root 3, but this is second quadrant, and second quadrant all sign sec are negative, so that this is a negative, and so on. And now, if we calculate sin x of base degree, what is the value of sin x of base degree? With the help of these tables, we can calculate here sin 90 degree x of base degree है, that is equal to sin 60 degree. 60 degree में क्या होगा जो है 1 root 3 by 2, this is equal to root 3 by 2. Also, it can be written as sin 90 degree plus 30 degree. That is also 90 or 30 120 degree, and apply the formula sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta equal to what? Cos theta. 90 में ऐड किया गया तो sin का cos हो गया, और 90 प्लस थीटा सेकंड चतुर्थांश में चला आया तो sin का पॉजिटिव cos थीटा हो गया, यानी कि यह क्या होगा जो है sin 90 प्लस 30 डिग्री cos 30 डिग्री, एंड cos 30 डिग्री में मान वही होगा जो sin 60 डिग्री में होगा, तो क्या होगा cos 30 डिग्री में मान वही होगा जो sin 60 डिग्री होगा, ठीक क्या होगा जो रूट 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Here sin is 120 degree equal to root 3 by 2. This can also be written as this. Similarly, we can calculate all the values sin 240 240 degree, sine 240 degree. Now it can be written as sine, we have 180 degree, 180 degree plus 60 degree. Or sine 360 degree minus 120 degree. This can also be written here. 240 degree. Now sine 180 degree plus this sine x80 plus theta, x80 plus theta. This is 180 plus theta equal to this quantity minus sine 60 degree minus sine 60 degree, and sine 60 degree equal to 60 degree root 3 by 2 root 3 by 10. With the help of these formulas, we calculate this. Now, like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.